Hello everyone and welcome into today's video where we are checking out Fantom and the most important updates about Fantom from the past month of November, after which we'll also check out the price charts as usual. So as always, an early like or a subscribe is very much appreciated. Thank you for doing so and let's go. First of all, Fantom was expanding the 370 million rewards program to support more protocols, because since the launch of their incentive program, the total value locked has increased by impressive 600% plus. So if you are interested in those Fantom incentive programs, you can check out their new blog post. Also, they have seen a growing interest in cross-chain projects to integrate Fantom. For example, Rubik integrated for multi-chain swaps with Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, Moonriver and Avalanche. Also, Polynetwork announced Fantom integration, and then Spirit Swaps added a bridge support for Avalanche and Arbitrum, so users will now automatically receive a small amount of FTM when bridging to Fantom to pay for gas, which is a pretty nice bonus. AnySwap has hosted the first Avalanche to Fantom cross-chain NFT swap, and Token Pocket also added support for NFTs on Fantom. And finally, O3 now supports Fantom for its cross-chain swaps. Another important news is that Fantom Foundation is now offering over $260,000 reward to token holders via VoteMac, and the goal of this incentive is to improve FTM liquidity. Also, ZooCoin launched Over, which is a beautiful curated NFT marketplace on Fantom, which if we check out on this link, it really does look beautiful indeed. And for some network stats, actually the past couple of months has been incredible growth for Fantom in terms of verified contracts deployed. So there has been a very significant rise since September 2021, and I would like to add to this that apart from interest from developers to develop on Fantom, there is also interest from other partners such as Celeste, for example, which they are partnering up with to expand global operations, and they are focusing with Celeste on smart contracts platform in Bangladesh, so trying to expand towards the Asia or India region as well. And finally, a little bit older but still I think important to mention here, where they've partnered up with an F1 driver, Pierre Gasly, to drop actually an NFTs on Airtian. So they are really pushing the envelope here towards a much wider audience than just some computer and blockchain enthusiasts. And with this we can finally jump into the price charts here, where at a first we can see some drop in price for Fantom, at least since the last video. We are currently under those 50 and 100 day moving averages, but we are just above this significant support here, actually horizontal support, which previously acted as a resistance here towards September and October 2021. So there could be some solid support here for some next moves up. However, since we broke this uptrending support line over here and start to go sideways, we've actually turned to a bit of a downtrend over here, and it still remains in this slight downtrend. However, we can also check out the Fantom to Bitcoin ratio here, where again there is a similar picture, still in a bit of a downtrend. However, again there is quite a solid support here. We are not as much below those moving averages, we are just around the 100 day moving average, so pretty solid support there. But also there's this horizontal support line, again going pretty much from September and October 2021, where it acted as a bit of a resistance with a false breakout. However, zooming out, we can really see that we are in still for the most part, a bullish structure. And I would take this just some kind of a sideways consolidation after those huge moves up, where we've actually got a higher high here, which corresponded to a lower high here on the moving average, which was a divergence, which suggested that there could be some change of trend, which could result in a consolidation or a short-term correction. However, we are now getting closer to some more reasonable levels here, close to those moving averages, but also here on the momentum indicator there is not a divergence anymore. So unless there is a significant downtrend in crypto in general, I don't think we will drop significantly below this support here. And once again, switching back to the Fantom to US dollar ratio, we can see that now, zooming out, we are still in this very long price channel, as is with the Bitcoin ratio. So from this point, we are just pretty much in the middle of this very long-term bullish price channel. So there could be some short-term volatility. However, if you are thinking long-term for Blueprint, this bullish setup is still very much unchanged. And that's it from what I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if so, you can smash the like button or subscribe for more future crypto content to come on this channel. And with this, I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!